Now when summer rolls around, I always put my steam oven to really good use because preparing a delicious assortment of salads is the perfect accompaniment for your barbecued foods, but also for a lot of quick lunches or easy side dishes for some grilled fish or meat during the week. Today I'm making two really simple salads. One is an Orzo pasta salad, which I'm going to mix with some grilled artichokes and some little colorful cherry tomatoes here, some red onion, and of course a nice easy fruity dressing with some olive oil and vinegar. So easy breezy. Now I'm also going to make a broccoli salad that's going to be mixed with nuts and cranberries, and I've also prepared the dressing with some Dijon and mayonnaise to go with that one. So when I put these two dishes in the steam oven, I'm going to use the steam mode. So that's full steam, 212 degrees. I've placed the Orzo with some salt and pepper in the small solid oven pan, and I'm just going to pour enough water over that to cover it. And let's see, we might need just a tad more. Now, the Orzo pasta will cook in about 15 minutes and the broccoli will only take about 7 or 8 minutes. So just set the timer and take out the tray that's ready first. And of course the great thing is when you're cooking these salads, you can get all the other ingredients ready and you don't have saucepans to clean up, you don't have to worry about foods boiling over on the cooktop or worrying about the different timing. It's a much, I find it's less stressful to actually cook a variety of foods at the same time using the steam oven. Now, my steam oven does have the option of using smaller pans. If your steam oven doesn't have that option, then use a small glass Pyrex dish, or perhaps you can buy accessory pans from your oven manufacturer. So, looks like my steam oven is all steamed up. Time to get these things cooking.